Hello, everyone. First, I just want to say that I miss you. It's been 7 weeks, 6 weeks, a long time. It's been a very long time since I've seen you all. This week, as you know, kickstarts our full, official start of school. So I'm just creating this video to explain to you what your assignments will be. Starting next week. This week, there is no assignment that's due at the end of the week. It's just a quick, I'm letting this week be a transition week for you, as I know that, distance learning is something different and we're still all getting used to it. So there's no assignment for this week, but going forward, there will be an assignment due every Friday. I hope that's not in. It will always be due Friday. So for your assignments, you have options every week. I have created this chart here. This is only part of it. You can't see the bottom because it didn't all fit, but I've created this chart that we're calling a choice chart. And within this choice chart, you get to make a decision of what assignments you want to do. You have to do an assignment every week. They are always due on Friday, okay? For the assignment, you can either pick 2 items from the column on the left, or you may do 1 item from the column on the right every week. So let's say next week you want to do item 1B and item 1E. Great. You can do that. Those are your 2 assignments. You'll complete them on Google Classroom. You'll submit them by Friday. Or you can choose that you want to do item 2D. Great, that's fine. You can do that 1 assignment. Every week there are 25 points. So either you do 2 assignments from the left to get your 25 points, or you do 1 assignment from the right to get those 25 points. You cannot repeat any. So if you do 1B this week, you can never do 1B ever again for the rest of this school year. That's it. You did it. You checked that box. You move on. Every week on Monday morning, I will post this choice chart again. It's not going to change, but I'll just repost it every week as the assignment so that you can complete it. The directions will be on it on Google Classroom. When you submit your assignment, you'll have to make sure that you label it as 1B and 1D. I will be keeping track of that to make sure that you don't repeat, because if you do repeat, you then don't get credit for it and you don't get those points. So those are the assignments every week. It's the same thing. Okay, I'll post this. It's not changing. So if you want to plan out which ones you're going to do, great. If you want to do them all this in the next week and then just submit them every Friday, you can do that too. I'm giving you a little freedom about how you're going to go about the last 5 or 6 weeks of this course. For Zoom calls, we will have Zoom calls on Thursdays. That's our designated Zoom time from 10:30. We won't ever go the full 2 hours. However, all of you, and now pay attention to this, all of you are going to have to present on a Zoom call 1 time. Okay, you have 1 Zoom presentation 1 time. I will post a sign-up sheet kind of a thing, and you can request what day you want to present, and all you're going to do is you're going to give us a 1 to 2 minute spiel about what assignment you did. So if you decide that you want to present the first week and you did 1D, great. You'll give us a quick 2-minute spiel about who Dmitry Shostakovich is, and tell us about the piece, and that's it. It's 2 minutes, not that crazy. We'll all listen to you, you'll get your points, and we'll move on. Okay? So that sheet will be coming out on Monday so that you can start to sign up for which day you want to give your presentation in our Zoom call. Okay? We will have a Zoom call on Thursday, it's tomorrow, to go over any questions for this, to explain some things in a little further detail. I just wanted to give you a heads up. Remember, there is no assignment due this week. Your first assignment will be due next Friday. I think that's May 8th, something like that. Whatever next Friday is when the first assignment will be due. They'll be due Friday by 6 p.m. Okay, so you'll have all day. So that's that. I look forward to seeing all of your faces tomorrow, clarifying some things. I know that it's a crazy time to be a student, it's a crazy time to be a teacher, but we will figure it out. We will get it done because we're smart and that's what we do. I will see you very soon.